No, it's okay. It's the printout.
So before we start, we're going to review our golden beads. Raise your hand if you can tell me. Let's see if I can get a nice colored pen. Raise your hand if you can tell me how much this bead is. Alicia, how much is this bead? Oh, Finley remembers. This one is
1,000. 1,000.
1,000. Who remembers how much this bead is?
100.
100. How many beads is 100? A lot of beads, right? Who remembers how much this bead is?
10.
10. There are 10 beads on here.
1. I already read.
And who remembers how much is this one?
1.
1. Okay, so I have a question for you. I'm going to hold up one of my cards and you're going to tell me which one it is. Point to the beads if you printed them out or on your computer screen. Which one is this one?
1.
1. Yep, Alicia, you can point to it on your printout.
Okay.
Yep, you don't have to show me. You can just point to it.
I can't see. Where's my printout?
Which one is this one?
It's from the beads.
Oh, I didn't print the bead.
You don't need to print it out, Finley. You can just point to the computer screen. Which one is this one?
10.
10. Can you point to it on the computer screen? Right here. If you're pointing where my mouse is, you point it to 10. Now let's do the next one. This is just a review.
100.
100. It's red. Point to the 100 on your screen or your paper, please. And the last one we have
100. 1,000,000. 1,000.
1,000. Point to it on your screen or on your paper. 1,000. Can you point to it on your paper, Alicia and AJ? Thank you. All right. So now that we reviewed the beads, does anybody have any questions? Alicia, that's 100. Can you point to 1,000? Thank you.
Never.
Does anybody have any questions about the beads? No? All right. You can put the beads down. You have a question, Alicia?
Yeah.
Yes?
Did you know beads are also recycled?
Some beads are recyclable. We talked about recycling in our story time today. All right, now we're gonna practice our math. You're not gonna be able to see my face when we do the math because otherwise you won't see the math. So I'm gonna move the screen. Grace, this is the math problem we're starting with. Can you write it down on your paper, please?
Okay, I'm gonna write it down now.
Perfect.
You want me to write it down on my paper?
Can you start forming the top number
1 plus
with your cards? How many thousands do you need?
3.
How many 100s do you need?
3.
How many 10s do you need?
3.
How many ones do you need?
1.
There we go. So go ahead and start forming it. I wonder, maybe I can put it right here and you can see it. I'm going to start forming mine. I have a piece of paper here. I'm going to start forming it on my piece of paper. See, I have to do it upside down so you guys can see it.
Miss Woman, I wrote it down.
You wrote it down? Perfect. So I'm going to put it over here. And I'm going to start forming my top number. 1 1, 3 10s.
I messed up.
That's okay. You can keep practicing.
Oh, you're just doing it by itself?
3 10s. How many hundreds did I need?
3.
3.
3 plus 5, 8.
Grace, if you just have a piece of paper, you can write the numbers down, okay?
Okay.
You can color the picture just like mine. You can make red. Moose, moose. Moose, please stop interrupting. 3 100s. And how many 1000s did I need? Moose? Moose is trying to teach you too.
I did three.
3. Shh. Moose, you're interrupting. All right, did I finish making this number?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. So you can separate it with a pencil or anything, or just put a space. But I'm going to put a ruler here so you can tell. Now we're going to form the next number. How many ones do we need?
Okay.
How many ones do we need? AJ, how many ones do we need for the next number?
2. Okay, 2.
Okay, how many 10s do we need?
Okay, that's a 1.
Okay, how many 100s do we need?
1.
And how many 1000s do we need?
5.
5. This is a static addition problem to help us practice, and our next problem will be dynamic. So we're going to practice this one and go through it quickly, and then review dynamic, okay? When you've finished forming the number, you can put your finger on your nose or on your head to tell me that you're all ready to keep going and put the numbers together.
At the top of that circle.
Okay, friends, did you form your number?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. When we form our number, we have at the top 3 thousands, 300s, 3 10s, and 1 1. On the bottom, how many thousands do we need?
Okay.
We need 5 of them, right? So
Okay.
now, what do we do with these numbers? Do we just leave them here? Are we all done?
I'll clean them up.
Do we finish?
No, we add them together.
No, we have to put them together. Can you help me slide your numbers and put them all together?
There you go.
All right. I wondered, now can we count them together? Let's count them together. First, we're going to count the ones. Finley, can you count the ones for me?
1, 2, 3.
Is this more than 10?
I used 100s.
Let's see if I can mute everybody so we can hear. All right. Alicia, can you count the 10s for me?
Pay attention.
1, 2. You can look
4.
at my picture. 3,
4.
4. Thank you, Alicia. We have 4 10s. Do we need to do anything else with this, or are we all done? We're all done. AJ, can you count the 100s for me?
Okay.
1.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 100s. Do we need to do anything else with this, AJ, or are we all done?
All done.
Thank you. Grace, can you help me count the 1000s?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 1000s. Are we all done with this, Grace?
Yes.
All right, so our answer is 8 1000s, 4 100s, 4 10s, and 3 1s. Can you please get a pencil and write it down on your paper? We had 8 1000s, we had 4 100s, we had 4 10s, and we had 3 1s. When you're all done writing it down, oh, thank you, Alicia. Alicia wrote hers down. When you're all done writing it down, you can put your numbers away and get ready for the next problem. The next problem is on the back. We're going to do 8 thousands, 400, 3 tens, and 1 1, plus 8 tens and 4 ones. All right. I'm going to unmute everybody. So when you're all done, say all done and give me a thumbs up.
All done.
All done? Did you find the next math problem?
Okay, let's look at the vision.
Well, can you practice the next math problem? Can you find this one? 8,000, 400s.
I found it.
You found it? Perfect. Alicia, did you find it?
What's my vision?
Finley, did you find it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lucas found it. AJ found it. Grace, did you find this problem or write
Yes,
it down?
I wrote it down.
Perfect. Thank you. So let's see. I'm going to mute everybody again. And when I call on you, you can answer my questions, okay? Let's see. Lucas, how many 1,000s do I need?
8.
8. Thank you. AJ, how many 100s do I need?
Okay, this is going to be so weird.
How many
4.
100s do I need?
4.
4. Thank you. Grace, how many 10s do I need?
I don't know.
Can you look at my video and tell me how many 10s I need?
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay,
Here I am.
thank you. How many 10s do I need?
3.
3, thank you. And Finley, how many ones do I need?
1.
1. All right, so we're gonna form this number, the top number, with our cards, or Grace can do it with her colored pencil since she doesn't have the cards yet. So I'm gonna start, I need 1, 1. Can you form it while I'm forming it? Have you finished forming your number?
Yes.
Okay, 1, 1, 3 10s, 4 100s, and 8 1000s. Now I have a question. Who would like to tell me how many 10s we need for the second number? Alicia? Alicia, how many 1000s do we need?
0.
How many 100s do we need?
0.
How many 10s do we need?
8.
How many ones do we need?
4.
4. All right, so what we're gonna do is we are going to make this number underneath of the number we already made. If you don't have room, you can try to put the 1000s next to each other so that you have some room to build your next number. If I move any more, then you won't be able to see any of my numbers. So I have to put them next to each other. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 10s, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe I can put some on top of my ruler. When you're finished forming your second number, put your finger on your nose or on your head to show me you're all done. Is AJ done? I think Lucas is done.
Oh.
Okay, there you go.
Did you finish? Finley, did you form your number? Alicia, did you form your number?
No, because I'm not done with the first one.
Oh, okay, perfect.
You want?
AJ, looks like you finished forming your number, didn't you?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Grace, did you finish coloring your number?
1. Yes.
Perfect, all right. Well, I think Alicia's finishing up forming her number. So let's see if we can combine our numbers. Remember how last time we put them together?
And 8. There's no more space for the down, so I put them all together.
Yeah, if there's no more space, you can just put them next to each other. I know we don't have too much room.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. When you're all ready, go ahead and let me know, okay? AJ, are you ready? Did you put all of your numbers together? Can you work on that for me? Lucas, did you put all of your numbers together? Finley, did you put all of your numbers together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, so what we're going to do now, I think Finley already started counting, is we're gonna count. So I'm gonna mute everybody again, and I'm gonna call on you to count my numbers. Let's see, Finley, can you count my ones? 1.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Is this more than 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Uh-huh.
5.
Is this more than 10?
No.
No, so I don't have to do anything with this, right? It's all done. Let's see, Lucas, can you count my 10s for me? 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6,
7, 8,
9,
9, 10, 11.
11, 10s. Is that more than 10? Alicia, what do we do with numbers that are more than 10?
What?
What do we do with numbers when we have more than 10 of them?
Then you stop.
We stopped, so what's next?
I don't remember.
Do we have to take 10 of them away?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take 10 of them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm gonna ask AJ, what do we do next? We took 10 of them away. What do we do next?
We put them, we combine the 4, we combine the numbers with each other.
Well, yeah, we took 10 10s away. So what do we do with these 10 10s? Do we get at 1 100?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put my 10 10s away and I'm gonna get at 1 100. Can you do that with me, please? Grace, you can just cross out 10 tens and get out 1 100. When you're all ready, let me know.
I'm all ready.
All right, Grace, can you tell me how many tens we have left?
1.
1 10. Is that more than 10?
No.
Nope, we're all done with tens. So let's move on to 100s. Can you count our 100s, Grace?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 100s. Is that more than 10?
No.
Nope. Okay, so that means we're all done. Let's see. Finley, can you count our 1000s?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9? Let's try that again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. We have 8 1000s. Is that more than 10, Finley?
Hey, do we need to write these ones?
Yeah, we have to write this one, but is 8 more than 10?
8 more than 10.
No, we're all done, right? We didn't get to 10. So now we have to write our number down on our paper. How many ones did we have? Do you remember? Go ahead and count your ones and write it down. How many tens do we have? Now let's count our 100s. And last, let's count our 1000s.
Put it right here, baby.
Do you have any questions?
That's a 1. So then count how many hundreds you have.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alicia, what's your question?
I'm done.
You're all done? Did you get the same number that I have?
Yeah.
Perfect. So now do you
I
know?
did it.
You didn't get the same number. What number did you get?
Actually, I did get the same number.
Oh, okay. Lucas, how are you doing? Did you finish? AJ, do you have any questions?
No.
Grace, do you have any questions?
Yes.
What's your question?
I have the same number as you.
Oh, you have the same number as me?
Yeah.
Perfect. Yes, Alicia?
Look.
Whoa, we all worked so hard today. So now that we finished, can I see everybody's faces? Hi, AJ. Hi, Finley. It was really fun working with you today, but guess what? You don't have to have Miss Roman to do this game, right? The stamp game, you can do this all by yourself now. You have the materials and you have math problems. So do you need a teacher to practice this work at home?
No.
No, you can do this work whenever you want, right? So now that you've had a lesson on how to do it at home, you can do it anytime. You can do it during playtime. You can practice it when you wake up. I think it's a lot of fun. If you don't have the printouts, I used construction paper for mine, and I wrote the numbers by myself. So you can also use construction paper, or you could even color it. I'll show you with my green colored pencil.
And wash my hands. I just ate orange.
Okay, so what Grace did today is she used her colored pencil to color. So instead of the cards, she just wrote a 1,000 in green.
Can I play?
Does that make sense? So if you don't have the cards, you can just write the number however many times. Pretend you have the cards, right?
Bye.
All right, friends, it's time for me to go and for you to go to your next lesson, okay? Bye. It was nice teaching you today.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.